Welcome! This course registration presentation for Computer Information Systems is meant to help and prepare for registration as a new student. We offer a total of 5 IT programs: Networking/Cyber Defense AAS, or Associate of Applied Science, is a degree you will learn to install and administer computer systems, networking technologies, and network analysis. Courses also provide preparatory knowledge for industry-accepted credentials. Next, we have our Cybersecurity AAS, or Associates of Applied Science. You will learn a variety of cyber tools and threat mitigation techniques based on a strong foundation of systems, networking, and security, which will enable one to respond to crisis and rapidly resolve cybersecurity incidents. Then we have our last Associates of Applied Science degree, which is a Programmer/Cybersecurity Analyst. This will prepare you to design and develop software programs and applications. Courses focus on problem solving, computer science, and structured programming concepts. A bachelor's degree is usually the minimum educational requirement in this field of work. All of our CIS associate degrees can transfer towards a specific BAS, or Bachelor's of Applied Science degree, from a 4-year university, such as the University of Arizona Cyber Operations Engineering degree, or Bachelor's of Applied Science degree. If you're interested in transferring, please work closely with your advisor. Lastly, we have 2 IT certificates. Our IT Support Technician certificate, which will prepare you for careers in the rapidly expanding field of IT support, and our IT Support Specialist certificate, which will prepare you to learn a variety of skills and technologies necessary to administer and secure both Windows and Linux environments. Both of our IT certificates are built into our Cybersecurity AAS degree and our Networking/Cyber Defense AAS degree. These degrees are currently in person and will soon be available fully online. Meet your advising team. We have a total of 5 advisors and 2 academic success counselors for computer information systems. Your last name will determine your CIS advisor or counselor that you will work with. We also have a team of advisors specifically for fully online students. Our goal is for you to always know who your contact person is, whether it is for help solving a problem or concern, or simply to share awesome news about how your semester is going. We're always here to help. The academic advising syllabus is a great tool that includes steps you should be working on every semester to stay on track towards graduation. We want you to connect, continue, and complete. Connecting. Stay informed, meet regularly with your advisor, explore programs. Continue. Take responsibility for your education, know college resources, apply for special admissions programs. Complete. Apply early for graduation, connect with university transfer coordinators and programs, investigate My Career Link. Three very important resources for students are My Pima, the College Catalog, and My Degree Plan. My Pima is the one-stop shop for you to register for classes, make schedule changes, check the status of your financial aid, make payments, and access many other helpful resources. Most of these services are available in the Students tab. It's very important to ask your advisor, what is my catalog here? Catalogs are available on our website. The College Catalog determines the exact courses you need to graduate. Your time and investing in your education is valuable. We want to ensure you take the courses needed to help you graduate on time. Lastly, My Degree Plan is a checklist listing all of the courses needed for your program. In My Degree Plan, your advisor can help you create a semester plan so that you know exactly which courses to take every semester and can register on time. Associate degree requirements. Let's discuss the degree requirements for those of you seeking an associate's degree. AJEC, or Arizona General Education Curriculum, is a certificate embedded in all transfer degrees, consisting of 35 credits. It will ensure your gen eds are completed at the community college level prior to transferring to a university. CTE, or Career and Technical Education, refers to general education requirements in AAS, or Associates of Applied Science degrees. Core classes are courses that provide a broad foundation. In computer information systems, an example of a core course is CIS 136, Computer Hardware Components. Support courses provide additional knowledge and skills for your program. Your advisor can share with you a first semester course registration guide. These are scheduled recommendations that are determined by your placement results. You can be placed in courses based on your high school transcripts or the results of the Pima placement test. This is the first semester course guide for networking/cyber defense. On the left-hand side is how to determine your placement test for math, writing, and/or reading. On the right-hand side is a first semester schedule for networking/cyber defense. And this same schedule will apply to our cybersecurity AAS and the IT technician certificate as well. The courses listed are Math 106, Elementary Data Analyst and Spreadsheets, STU 100, College Success and Career Planning, CIS 103, Microsoft Windows OS Professional Administration, CMN 120, Business and Professional Communications, CIS 137, Introduction to the Linux Operating System. This is a first semester course guide for cybersecurity, as I had mentioned before, and it resembles the same one as networking. And you'll be able to see the similarities on the next page. So this is a first semester course guide for cybersecurity. Now, when we talk about our programmer/cybersecurity analyst degree, on the left-hand side, it's important to determine the correct math course you will need to complete first for this degree. Math 151, College Algebra, is a required course to satisfy this degree. If you are not placed into Math 151 after taking your assessments, no worries. You will either be placed into Math 92, Math 95, or Math 97, and work your way up to Math 151. A math option you will want to avoid is taking Math 142, Topics in College Mathematics. Although it seems like this course would be a prerequisite for Math 151 if you were going by numerical order, it is not. On the right-hand side, you can see the first semester schedule. If you start with Math 92 and complete that, you will either go to Math 95 next or Math 97. The next course would be STU, or STU 100, College Success and Career Planning, CIS 129, Programming and Problem Solving, ECN 150, An Economic Perspective, and Writing 101, English Composition. The right-hand side looks similar, but you can see that the math is differing. So you can either, if you're placed into Math 151, that's the class you would take, or if you were placed into Math 188, Pre-Calculus 1, you would take that course next. It is important to keep in mind every student is unique. Please see your advisor when choosing your classes. If you are working full-time while attending Pima, your advisor may recommend a part-time schedule. In our website, you can find a time management calculator to help you determine your availability to attend classes. Prerequisite and corequisite courses. These are very important terminology. Prerequisite means courses required before. An example would be Writing 101 is a prerequisite for Writing 102. You must therefore successfully complete Writing 101 before continuing to Writing 102. Corequisite courses are courses meant to be taken at the same time. Example is Math 92 and Math 92 LB are corequisite. This means that the students must register for both courses during the same semester. Class registration. This is how to read the class schedule out on our website. CRNs are 5-digit unique identifiers for each course. The class schedule will also include meeting days and times, the modality whether the class is virtual, online, hybrid, or in person. Status if the class is open for registration or is full. Seats available, approval needed, and prerequisite or corequisite information. After you know what classes to register for, registration is available in My Pima. After accessing My Pima, click on the Students tab from the drop-down menu, select Register and Pay, register for credit classes, then register for classes. This video will demonstrate the steps to register for a class.
To search for and register for classes, log into your My Pima. Go to Students and Register and Pay. To search for classes, click on Online Class Schedule and scroll down. Make sure you have the correct term and location. For Fall 2020, most classes will either be virtual or online. You can scroll or type in your code. This example will be doing STU 100. There are additional search criteria you can use to narrow down your search. And click Search. Scroll down to find a class that meets during a day and time that is interesting to you. Please note you will need the CRN number to register for the class, so please write it down. Notice the day, the dates, and the time. If your class is showing as virtual, it means you will be meeting with your professor and other students at that time virtually. If the class is listed as online, it is asynchronous and you will not need to meet at specific times. Make sure the class is open and that there are seats available. Come back to your My Pima and click on New Registration System and register for classes. Make sure your semester is correct and continue. There is a search function within this system, but is not as robust as the one we just showed you, so it is not recommended. Click on Enter CRNs. Enter the CRNs that you have written down and add to summary. You will see the course populate in the lower right-hand corner. When you have listed all of your courses, select Submit to register for the course, and you will see a status here. If there are any errors, you will see these here. If you want to drop a course, follow the directions, come to this list, select Drop, and Submit. You'll see the status is dropped.
After you register, you can view your schedule and buy your books by going to My Pima, clicking on the Students tab, and then going to Academics. Meet tuition payment deadlines. If using financial aid, go through your My Pima, Students tab, Financial aid. Using Veterans benefits, log into My Pima, Students tab, Veterans. If paying out of pocket, log into your My Pima, Students tab, Register and Pay, My Account Manager. Always check your My Pima email for important PCC information. Video tutorials can be found on PCC website. It's important. Make sure to check drop and withdrawal deadlines. For more information, look at the academic calendar and at your class schedule on your My Pima account. Important reminders. These are some of your responsibilities as a student. Become knowledgeable about college programs, deadlines, policies, and procedures. Clarify personal values and goals. Keep personal record of your progress. Come to each advising appointment with questions or materials for discussion. Enroll in courses that you and your advisor have listed in My Degree Plan. Accept responsibility for academic planning decisions. These are our responsibilities as advisors. Provide academic support to ensure successful progress to graduation. Communicate the college's curriculum, requirements, deadlines, policies, and procedures. Assist you with creating an educational plan that aligns with your academic interests and abilities. Guide decision making to help you create an educational plan that fulfills your academic plan. Provide information and strategies for using college resources and services. Support your academic success by providing you with accurate and timely information and guidance. Be a responsive listener and provide encouragement during challenging times. To schedule an advising appointment. Make plans to connect with your program advisor at least once a semester to ensure you are staying on track. To find your program advisor in Pima Connect, log in to My Pima. In the Students tab, select Academics. Click Go to Pima Connect. Select My Success Network for name and contact information of your program advisor. This video will demonstrate how to schedule an advising appointment.
Congratulations, you're more than halfway through the semester. At this point, you're probably asking questions like, what classes do I need for the next semester? How and when can I register? Who can I talk to about my program? When can I graduate? How do I ask for help? To make things easier, present, wait for it, Pima Connection. This powerful tool will allow you to schedule an appointment with me, receive important updates and advising notes, communicate with your success network, connect with other college resources. Go to My Pima, click Students, then Academics, then Pima Connection, and get started. Don't miss out. Visit Pima Connection now.
Where the heck did you think how to?
We're here to support your journey. You are always welcome to reach us in advising. Thank you. We hope you have a successful first semester at Pima Community College.